I'm sorry.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Hi, did you sit down? Excuse me. Why would you say that? Wait a minute, what's this
Like
for?
there, I just can't.
So Tommy, you should have one more.
No, I didn't start it yet.
Did you guys want a big family? Yeah.
Huh? What? What did you say? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see. Let me see. Did you get any of those pictures?
Stop. I don't want to home. Stop.
Okay. Okay. Don't tell me. Amelia. You
Isn't
know
that
why
pretty,
I
Dad?
remember it?
You never did go wipe off your face and brush your teeth. What's that mean?
Give me. Yeah. I'm gonna show. I was gonna show Amelia. Amelia, I want you to see something. Give me.
I let you see that.
Who is this? Okay, sit down there and go